Yeah, yeah. Your love is all around her.
Hello, who wants to cook? It's Lady Pam here. You're very welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to cook spaghetti stir fry with some sausages. So just relax, enjoy yourself, and let's get started. So you boil water, then add the spaghetti to the water. So we're going to add some salt, the salt to taste. So we added some salt. Now add some oil because you want the spaghetti to be separated and make sure you stir. So now we have our boiled spaghetti. I boiled it for about 6 minutes. We have our dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and the oyster sauce. Don't worry, I'll put the details in the description box. We have our veggies, the chopped onions, diced garlic, chopped peppers. Now we have our eggs and the sausages. So let's get cooking. So heat oil and fry the sausage. Fry the sausage for about 2 minutes. Fry. Yay, the sausage is ready. So just put it in a bowl and set it aside. Sausages. So fry the egg. Crack the egg into the heated oil. But you could crack it into a bowl, add some salt, whisk it, and then put it back into the heated oil. I just decided to do it this way. Add some salt to taste. So now you just want to stir everything, like mix everything together so that the salt can go everywhere. So just mix. Set everything aside because the egg is ready. Set it over there. So now add margarine. You can add butter. Then add the diced garlic. It gives it that continental feel. So just mix everything together. Just mix it. Exactly. So I'm cooking on medium to high heat and I want to add the chopped onions. You don't want to over fry or over saute the onions. So we just saute the onions for about 1 minute and we are good to go. So fry, cook it, fry it, saute it. Just enjoy yourself while cooking. So you just mix it, continue to mix, continue to fry, fry. Okay. So now add your green peppers and red peppers. Just stir it for a while. Now you know they are strangers, so we want to let them get to know each other. So you just mix everything together. Add the sausages. Mix. So now we're going to add the seasoning. I prefer Maggie, but you can add any seasoning of your choice. Just add it. Now add the black pepper. Now add chili pepper for those who want hot food. So add the white pepper. So now this is the secret, okay? You add the 2 teaspoons of sugar to our dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix everything together. You want the sugar to dissolve in the mixture. Then you put it into the sauce. So now incorporate everything together. Just to mix everything together. Like so. See, so delicious. Now we add the spaghetti. See how the spaghetti is so separated? It's because of the oil. And when it's cooked, you can add cold water to it. It makes everything easier. So the food is cooking. Just stir fry it. You see how easy it is. So fast, so quick. So please do give it a try. Let me know. Comment down below how it went. I trust you. I trust you. So continue to stir fry. Just stir it, cook it, fry it, fry. Look at all this goodness. Just look. Oh my God. Voila! The food is ready. Yay. So let's taste. Ingwana wa didn't you? Fetch on how very good. So food for your soul. Always pray in the spirit and be persistent in prayer. Never give up on your prayers. Never give up on your dreams. God is always there to listen to you. Just relax and be calm.